Welcome to Simply Logical. This is Venkatesh. In a conference, out of a total 100 participants, 70 are Americans. If 60 of the total participants are vegetarian, then which of the following statements correct? The first statement is at least 30 American participants are vegetarian. Statement 2, at least 10 American participants are non-vegetarian. You are supposed to find the correct statement after analyzing the problem. There can be both statements correct or neither of the statements can be correct. Feel free to pause the video and give it a try before checking the solution. If you are visiting this channel for the first time, do consider subscribing to the channel. According to the question, there are 100 participants and out of 100, 70 are Americans, so non-Americans will be 30. There are two statements given and we are supposed to find which statement is correct. Let's analyze the first statement. The first statement is at least 30 American participants are vegetarian. To check this statement is correct or not, let's try to minimize the number of American vegetarians. For that, we have to maximize the number of non-American vegetarians. Out of 30 non-Americans, at max, all can be vegetarian. Still 30 vegetarians remain which will fall under American category because there are total 60 participants who are vegetarians. So at least 30 Americans will be there who will be vegetarians. So if 60 of the total participants are vegetarians, assuming all 30 non-Americans to be vegetarian, at least 30 American participants are still vegetarian. So without any question, first statement is correct. Now get into the second statement. The second statement is at least 10 American participants are non-vegetarian. To check this statement is correct or not, let's try to maximize the number of American vegetarians. Out of 70 Americans, all vegetarians, that is 60 can be Americans. So at least 10 Americans will be there who will be non-vegetarians. The number can increase depending on number of vegetarian Americans. So assuming all 30 non-Americans to be non-vegetarian, at least 10 American participants must be non-vegetarian. So second statement is also correct. Hence, after analyzing the problem statement carefully, we can conclude that both statements are correct. That's all for this video. Let me know if you have any questions. I will try to address as soon as possible. Thanks for watching and thank you for your support.